Genesis chapter 1, verse 11. Trees, bushes, all manner of plants, grow! And they grew. Welcome back to Mr. News Art Class. It's wonderful to see your smiling faces today. Today's illustration was much more simple and repetitive, kind of just organic patterns. Trees, bushes, plants. Super simple. That's my rendition of Genesis chapter 1, verse 11. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. Give the video a thumbs up or down to let me know if you like it or not. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. And have a blessed day. And remember, this illustration is not intended to replace legitimate Bible translations. Artistic license has been heavily utilized.